So in today's video guys, we will be playing Slap Tower 2. So if I fall or die guys, the video will end. So let's start it. Feels good. Well, whoa, there's a shortcut here. And well, I don't know that. Well, I have some experience doing some parkours guys. So let me crawl this guy. Wait, never mind. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Yeah. No. Okay guys, bye bye.